Hey, Houston businesses, you need to pay attention to this. A critical security flaw has been discovered in the Next.js React framework, and it could put your sensitive business data at risk. This vulnerability, known as CVE 2025-29927, has a CVSS score of 9.1, marking it as a high-risk threat for anyone relying on self-hosted Next.js applications. So what's the deal? If you're using Next.js with Next Start and Output standalone deployments, you're in the danger zone. But if you're hosting on Vercel, Netlify, or using static exports, you're in the clear. Here's how it works. Next.js uses an internal header, x-middleware-subrequest, to prevent recursive requests from messing things up. But attackers have found a way to skip middleware execution, allowing them to bypass critical security checks, including authorization. This means they could gain unauthorized access to admin pages and sensitive data. For Houston businesses handling customer data, financial info, or internal records, this is a big deal. If left unpatched, attackers could bypass login checks, extract sensitive data, modify permissions, and expose critical info, leading to regulatory violations and financial losses. Impress IT Solutions strongly recommends updating to the latest Next.js versions, March 5th, 12, May 9th, 13, the 14th of February 25, and February 3rd, 15. If updating isn't an immediate option, block external requests containing the x-middleware-subrequest header. To keep your Next.js applications secure, follow these best practices. Update to the latest patched version. Implement additional authorization checks. Filter requests with suspicious headers. Monitor logs for unusual activity. Conduct regular security audits. Need expert help? Impress IT Solutions offers vulnerability assessments, patch management, advanced security monitoring, and custom security solutions. Don't wait for an attack to happen. Contact Impress IT Solutions today for a free security assessment and make sure your web applications are fully protected. Stay safe, Houston.